Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasni.
Uba Roni V. Lingdo, Menteri Sorkar Barim Gejala, bar uba longru MLA Barim jongga Millennium Constituency ula kenta ya Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kabayalam do Conrad K. Sangma dak bakeno bakani ke Sorkar kadai ke Serngiu jongga BJP. Haba keren sakinong tok kubor menhin kesngi arfoi tarik unailor. Uba Roni ulaong bakani ke Sorkar kakwa ban penkelai kani Gejala syaka Panchayati Raj kumbalong hakiwei pat Gejala nak benta ban yo jeng mentoi bakapisa kan one bej nak Sorkar pedeng ni kata kepala jutip kum ka direct funding. Ulaya tu bakaseng Kongres ka shu yoi nak ikot kubor bat mahamru. Nrei lada ka don sisa kata ka jingmut baka Sorkar kan wanra ka Panchayati Raj hapo ka Jela ka Kongres kalong ka bakloi ban mi syakmat ban khot pelong wadda ki jingyaki. Kat kum ka jing keren jong ba Roni ula thau bek baka ni ka Sorkar MDA ka de ka Sorkar bala khruai chabi da ka BJP bat keno ru baki don ki agenda ki bari jong ka BJP ki baka seng Kongres kan yele ban yang persya. Kani ke jingkran jong Baroni kedai hadian bala pau hakikot kubor bau menteri ketenat kampo yang ke Sorkar pedeng Rajnath Singh ulaya kenduk yo Conrad K. Sangma menteri rambak Gejala ban yakren halor ke 6 schedule ban penlong hakadur jong ke Panchayati Raj.
As a party, we oppose this tooth and nail. We will not accept any dilution of the 6th schedule in its present form. We will not accept. Because the then Prime Minister of India, Shri Rajiv Gandhi, through 73rd, 74th Amendment, had made Panchayati Raj institutions applicable throughout the country, but Meghalaya was exempted because we have the 6th schedule. Okay, so even the then Prime Minister, the Government of India, accepted that the traditional way of governance at present in vogue in Meghalaya is one of the best form of grassroots governance. So why would this present Chief Minister like to dilute? Okay. Now, if you need direct funding, okay, maybe we'll ensure that certain modifications are done, but within the framework of the 6th schedule. So we oppose this, which has come up in the Shillong Times. I will read. The meeting also decided to bring about necessary amendment to facilitate direct funding of the 6th schedule councils from the Finance Commission. Panchayati Raj-like institutions will be set up in the 6th schedule areas through election to facilitate rapid development. As a Congress party, we oppose that. We will not accept it. Any dilution of the present, the 6th schedule, which is in its present form, to bring about Panchayati Raj-like institutions. We will not agree.